Right, because you're seeing what can be turned on and what can't be turned on. That's why the purple marks, the purple little piece of post-it note tell us what's in tune and what's working and what isn't. That's why we're fundraising. So, let's see. See, it comes on. Up here on the fourth floor, the attic, is the air supply for the organ, and it's in this wonderful little chamber, and you open the doors and you'll see something slightly larger than a giant-sized washing machine at the laundromat, and that pumps all the air for the 4 chambers of the instrument. So from 1905, that's when this was installed. This is the pipe that goes to the swell chamber, and you'll notice the rope on it. We have it tied off so that no air is going to the swell chamber, because some of the pipes on the swell chamber won't stop playing, and so we just cut off their air supply.
I'm not sure you need to release it, just pull it over.
Oh, I see.
Yes. So that you don't get the leak. The leak on here. Mind you, this is a 100-year-old organ, and after a while, it's going to disintegrate. And that's exactly what happened. So our voluntary crew will be here somewhere in this area, and we're going to re-leather the pipes, the boxes, and wash all the pipes up here. There's about 1,200, 1,300 pipes. Hello. She's not here. You're in the great organ division. The big pipes are here. Some of them go all the way up to the 3rd floor. These swell shutters. You notice how they're made to seal. This is all felt here. And they seal tight, airwise. And it's all done from the console. He has a little shoe, they call them. Right now you're hearing a hissing or a blowing sound. That comes from up above. That's air escaping. We're not supposed to hear that.
Alright, and that just closes right up so you don't even know it's there.
No, you wouldn't know. You've been in here 100 times and you never know. This is one of the smaller divisions. Now we'll take all these pipes out, take the wood out, and there's a little washer grommet at the bottom. That's all got to be replaced. This is a tuning stop. Now listen to the difference in pitch when I take that out. That's got to be washed. And all that leather has to be replaced. That's called a cipher. When a note plays like that in holes, that's because the relay underneath is stuck. When he once plays the key, it opens up that relay and the air continues flowing in the pipe sounds, or as we say, speaks.
Okay, third floor. The choir chamber and the echo chamber is back here too. Okay, you kind of turn sideways a little bit. So what we're trying to do is we have a pipe that won't play. So we're trying to sort out. Go ahead and play that note again that doesn't work.
See what happens.
Yeah, I think I hear the rush of the air. Okay, found that one. Hang on. Let's see what's going on with it. Okay, I bet there's something stuck in the reed.
I'm on my way up now to check it.
Oh yeah. It's a dirty mess. But we'll figure that out. That's all it was. The curved piece of metal had shifted a tiny bit, so it was hitting the reed in a different spot, so it couldn't vibrate correctly. So now I have to tune it. You want to pop it back in, and then
Okay.
we'll do our two-person routine and tune it. I'll turn the flute back on, and when you hear the beat pattern, just gently turn it left and right. Go even tighter, let's see what happens.
Got it.
What you're seeing, this organ, is the original one from 1905. There was nothing better in the world when he had this one installed. This was absolutely it. And we can tell from the letters that he wrote to Aeolian and they sent back that he was sort of pushing them, I'll say that nicely, driving them crazy, pushing them more and more to make things even better. He wanted silence when the organ wasn't playing. He didn't want to hear the air rushing. He didn't want air leaks, and he wanted the clarinet to sound like a clarinet. He wanted the French horn to sound like a French horn, and so forth. None of this organ stuff. He wanted an orchestra in his house, controlled by one person.
This is the preset panel. So the organist could come down here and choose for each of the 6 presets what ranks they want to play. Unfortunately, somewhere along the line, this entire panel has been disconnected. So there's one of the projects is to re-enable this and just bring it back to life. Just in the last few months, we managed to get the rest of the harp to play it. When we got started, only half of the harp played. So now the rest of it's played by figuring out on this, where is the harp, and making the connection again. So that's a big part of the time investment early on is just to get all of this documented as to where are the wires coming from, where are they going to, and what do they control.
You got a spreadsheet. Oh my
This
God.
is a Gantt chart of Plan A, which has got, again, all of those tasks. And here's how much time each one takes. Each column is a week. These are cumulative numbers.
If this is really true, I have enough to get us started and to do some of this out of my own account and stuff, but then when we get down over here, that's a bigger jump. I don't have this, so, but it gives me some weeks to try to bring that in. Okay.
This is a marvelous organ and it's worth it. And eventually, we're going to try to get a program going and ask for donations, like buy a pipe, buy a rink. And that's what our goal is. I hope I live long enough to see this thing playable. But Joe Blackburn is a marvelous organist. He knows which pipes and which divisions work. 2 months ago, that wasn't happening. You're missing notes as you go up. But through use of our tools, our troubleshooting, we're making them all work. Chimes, the harp, everything is working now. I mean, that's well worth hearing.